place. I just happened to live near there when it was built 20 years ago, 23, 4 years ago. What a great place. A great facility. Huh? Beautiful. What do you have people checking in there every day?
I know.
Yeah, I got it.
There's, I mean, you got the one out St. Matthews area, and then you
Look
got
at that door open.
Oh wow!
When he pulled that corner, the door swung open.
Matthews area, and then you
Look
got
at that door open.
Oh wow!
When he pulled that corner, the door swung open.
Yeah, that sucks. But I had no discomfort. I was just fucking hungry as shit. Nice.
That guy did exactly the same thing like he did to Rebecca when we were coming back to the funeral.
Yeah.
It's Mississippi.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir, but people in Kentucky don't drive like that.
That's like an $80,000 SUV right there. QX80.
Ramp into downtown off 64 westbound. Also a little delayed this morning. Our next report in 10 minutes. I'm Bobby Ellis, News Radio 840 WHAS.
This report is sponsored by Indeed.com. Indeed, used by over 3 million businesses for hiring, where business owners and HR professionals can post job openings with screener questions, then sort, review, and communicate with candidates from an online dashboard. Learn more at Indeed.com/hire.
I'm WLKY meteorologist Suzanne Horgan. We are looking at scattered shower and thunderstorm activity for today starting this morning. Then some dry time for some more storms roll in later in the day, and some of those storms could be on the strong side. High temperatures will be able to recover into the middle 80s. It is going to be a warm and breezy day for us as well.
Like traffic is not bad enough.
The middle 80s. We'll be on the lookout for some more scattered shower and thunderstorm activity to develop. It should be more isolated. I'm WLKY meteorologist Suzanne Horgan.
Suzanne, thanks. Showers in 72 at News Radio 840 WHAS.
Mortgage Warehouse. Purchase or refinance your home with no closing costs. MortgageWarehouse.com.
When dark clouds roll in, is it a passing thunder shower or something more serious? Know the difference and keep your family safe with the dependable WLKY forecast. Updated around the clock on News Radio 840 WHAS.
The inaugural Railbird Music Festival is coming to the grounds at Keeneland August 10th and 11th. The multi-stage lineup includes the Raconteurs, Hosier, Randy Carlisle, Tyler Childers, Old Crow Medicine Show.
But it's because it's all the way around. It's
Look at this guy.
It's only 10%. Oh,
that's a woman.
It's
Look at this guy.
It's only 10%. Oh,
that's a woman.
Oh shit!
God damn.
That's a damn moment.
Look.
Wow, she was completely like shirt off and everything.
Call that in.
She was spazzing out about something. Where were we?
First Street at the 65 North exit.
Yeah. Mental illness or drugs or both.
It's not far from the all-time record of more than 2.5 million set by Ken Jennings. It took him 74 games to do it in 2004. Your next news update coming at 8. I'm Will Clark, News Radio 840 WHAS, Kentuckiana's breaking news, weather, and traffic station.
Take my parking spot. I was going to park there.
She left Josh behind.
She's struggling with that cart.